5 Park Drive. That intersection is Park Drive and Beacon Street, and Brookline is in that direction. There's a train station right over there, also very close by. The next cross street that way is Brookline Avenue. And this is the entrance. Here we are. So the apartment is in the back of the building on the first floor. There is an elevator, but you're not going to need it. So it's straight ahead. Here's apartment 3. It's been recently renovated. So as you walk in, you have this great entry area. There's a ton of room for storage, any shoes, coat, shoe racks. To the right is the kitchen, and it's a 2-bed split. So it can be a 1-bedroom with a living room or 2 bedrooms. There's the bathroom. So again, as you walk in, the kitchen is to the right. It's very spacious. There's a ton of room for a dining table. You have recessed lights. Here's the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, dishwasher. So it really has everything. Great cabinets in great shape. And you have a garbage disposal here. The window is just looking out on the building next to it. So this is one room, has a door, very spacious. So these 2 rooms are actually very, very similar in size. They might be exactly the same size. This can easily fit a queen size bed, king size bed, high ceilings. And this is also looking out on just a building next door. And this is the back of the building. So this can be a living room or a bedroom. Enter again. And this is another bedroom. You have 2 closets here. Also looking out over the back of the building. I think you can tell that it's really spacious. And I actually didn't even turn the light on, and it's still really bright in here. You can see the closets. This one is very spacious. Great storage in this one. Here's the second one. And here's the bathroom. Also nice and updated. All in really great shape. It has a tub and a shower. So here's the shower. Beautiful tub. And the windows are just looking out on the alley. And then downstairs is the laundry. This door goes down. This is the back staircase here. And it looks like this is where the trash goes. And this is where the laundry room is. Looks like you have 2 washers, 2 dryers.